Hey guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and my friend has given me a challenge on this watch, and the challenge is that I need to open this Spotify without even touching the watch and do things like play music and pause music with this smartwatch, and I should not be using the touchscreen of the smartwatch but doing everything without even touching the screen of the watch. So this can be a really big challenge, but smartwatches has come a lot far and we can do a lot of things now with smartwatches, and Galaxy Watch 8 is equipped with a lot of features and functions, and we will see how we can do this. So I have accepted the challenge, and in this video I will be discussing the same thing. So watch the video till the end to know how I will be doing this. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are at ANSS, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So the challenge is I need to open the music player and play music without even touching the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and this I will do here in this video and try to do in this video. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, I will wear the watch. So I have wear the watch, and here you can see the watch just fits so good in the hand. Here I have connected it with a Bluetooth speaker, and you can see the Bluetooth speaker is connected, and I will just start the Spotify app and start the music. You can see I am able to control the music, but I need to control everything without even touching. And let's go to the home screen, and now I will open the Spotify again and without touching the watch, and here you can see the watch is opening Spotify, and I can even pause the Spotify music or go to the next track. For that I need to open the media player. To open the media player I need to do some gesture, and here you can see the Spotify app or the music which you will be playing will be open in the media player. And let's pause the music. So I will do some gesture, and here you can see it's pause the music. Let me do it again, and it is starting playing. Let me increase the volume and show you guys how it is working. So let's go to the home screen, and here you can see I am playing the music. So now what I will do, I will go to media player again. So I will do the gesture, the media player is opened. I will pause the music. I can play the music again as many times as I want, and it is working perfectly fine. So let's see how I have configured this in my Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So to configure this, you don't need to do a lot of gestures. You have to change only two gestures which are already available in this watch. So to change that, you need to go to settings and buttons and gestures. So this is the option you need to go for. And I am not using the universal gesture, that is already a different zone where you can control the entire watch. But the normal gestures which are coming in this One UI 8 helping me to open the media player and also pausing and playing the music again. So double pinch is the gesture which I am using to play and pause the music. You can also do a lot of things, like you can go to next style or next notification, and in the music and media controls you can play, pause or go to the next track. So now let's select the next track, and also alarms and calendar events and reminder alerts you can change. And another gesture which I have used is the knock knock gesture. So here what I have done is go to apps and selected the media controller app. So if I go to the app list, you can see there is a settings, and here you can open any app, but I have particularly selected the media controller because I will be listening to music from Spotify and other sources also. So whichever sources I will be listening the music from, I will be able to pause and play the music or go to the next track. So here you can see the media controller is there. You need to select this, and here we go. If I am playing any music, and if I go to the media controller again, you can see I can go to the next track because I have selected the next track option. Now I will do the pinch in gesture, and it is the next track. So it is working perfectly fine, and I don't need to do anything else. It will just play the music, or you can select to pause or play the music also. And if I go to shake, you can see I can also do certain things like decline incoming calls or dismiss alerts such as alarms, timers and reminders, return to the watch face after checking a notification, or discard or enter text while type. And this is the shake gesture. This needs to be done like this. So let's see what else we can do. Like I can go to the next tile by doing a pinch in, and obviously you can see I can also browse through tiles and everything by doing pinch in gestures, which is really great. And obviously you can do all the music controls also. So that's it guys, wanted to show you about this new feature and also the challenge which I have completed. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.